Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change the date and time in BIOS on the Alienware 16 Aurora laptop. First, let's enter the BIOS menu. To do that, shut your computer down. Once you do that, sure press the power button once to launch your PC, and while the device is launching, repeatedly click the F2 key until you see this dashboard in front of you. Now, to change the time and date, go to the Integrated Devices tab on the sidebar. Here at the very top, you'll be able to set the date and time. As you can see, we have these rectangles with values where we can change the date and time. We can change the day, the month, the year, and then the hour, minutes, and seconds. We can also switch between different formats, either 12-hour or 24-hour format. If you select 12-hour format, you'll also need to specify which time of day it is right now. To apply changes, click Apply Changes and then exit to leave this menu. If you want to leave without applying changes, just press Escape and select No. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing. Leave us a like in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.